Well, welcome to Wild Goose Adventures. I'm on my way up to Bundaberg to catch up with some old friends and to do a little bit of foiling. Of course, no trip to Bundaberg isn't complete without a trip to Bundaberg Rum Distillery. Bundaberg Rum, iconic because it's turned this humble little country town into a worldwide megastar. The dirt and the soil in Bundaberg is beautiful. It's a haven for growing anything. It started off with the sugar cane and then it went on to the macadamia nuts, followed very quickly by chilies, by strawberries, by watermelons, you name it, and they grow it here. It is absolutely beautiful. Look at it behind me. What it's also beautiful for is the water over here. As you can see, the coastline is just fantastic. The volcanic rock keeps it all stable and the waterfront is amazing. Right down over there you'll see Elliott Heads, and that I believe is the jewel in this whole place. Elliott Heads is approximately 15 kilometres south of Bundaberg and is a beautiful, beautiful little oasis. It's right on the coast, and so as you can see the sunrises are spectacular, and because of its situation there's also a fair bit of protection from the nor'east, so it is just a lovely, lovely spot. The park here is beautiful and the waterway out here is just magnificent, and I've always wanted to go for a foil here, but one thing and another has led me not to come here. So today is the day. I've got the camera, I've got all set up, so I think we might sheet on and get into the water.
Roller coaster of love, you got my heart spinning round and round, feeling like the sky above. And I don't wanna ever come down. We fall off the tracks and we'll find our way back, leaving us for making a note on this roller coaster of love.
Well, that was a blast, wasn't it? Such a cool spot and such great foiling conditions. I don't do enough open ocean foiling. I really want to, but this is the place to give it a go. Bundaberg has so many things going for it, and one of them is this spot here, Mon Repos. Now, Mon Repos, depending how you pronounce it, is famous for its turtle restoration. Turtles were an endangered species, maybe still an endangered species. But the good people at Mon Repos and in Bundaberg got together and they made it their mission to save as many turtles as they can. And they did that by protecting the eggs. And as of this day, there are thousands of eggs that can be contributed to their saving them. And come the turtle season time, which runs from October through to December for nesting, and then probably December through till March, February for the hatching. They take care of them and you can run tours. They run tours here, and for I think it's $18 or $20 you come down here in the evening and they will take you and escort you through the turtle nesting process. It's well worth the effort to come here, and lots of people do. So if you're coming, make sure you book and make sure there's some availability, because otherwise you're in for a long night waiting for possibility of getting some done. So don't be disappointed. Come down, make a booking and check out Mon Repos and its turtle nesting time, and then their turtle hatching time later on in the year, early in the new year. The other nice thing is because the river is fairly wide and fairly deep, it gives a great opportunity to go for a foil when it's a bit too exuberant and not quite right here on the beach. Wow, what a hoot. So glad we got to try all that. Our time here at Elliott Heads is nearly done, but we might come back here again for sure. I've got a lot more plans and a lot more things to do with this area, so we're going to sheet on later and give it a go. Remember, if you've liked it, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, that'll be totally awesome, and until next time with Wild Goose Adventures, smooth sailing.